There I am at Baltimore Streetcar Museum again. It's February 29th. Bleep year. This side is done. You remember this was all 90% of this side was all off, and we've replaced a lot of this skeleton underneath. And that's it, man. That's it. Looks good, huh? Come a long way. Still a little bit more detail work to do, but it's going to be all green like that. Where you see white, it's all going to be green. And we started on the other side, and we got halfway past this window on the other side. That's it, man. It's a good day. It's cold, man, too. And it must be like 30 degrees. I'm freezing. So, yeah.